wanted to do a little video of this beautiful garage. An old Frenchman lives here and he has so many things. He likes fixing and creating. There's something of everything. Okay, so we found a piece of wood that we can cut.
How big would you like it? Square?
Yeah, square.
19? You sure?
Yep. If you don't have any serious equipment like what Alex is pulling out, you could just get a saw, like a cheap, easy saw, and just cut it yourself.
Yeah, that one could do.
I don't mind if they're old, but if they're all old, I'd be happier.
I know. Well, you want them old?
Yeah, I like old.
Well, how many have you got? 1, 2, 3. And 4. We've got 4. Check your 4 chips if they fit.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we've got 2 pieces of wood, the same size, and we've found 4 screws and wing nuts. And I was just telling Alex that I really want to do some kind of design in the corners, something a little bit like that. So just working out where we're going to put the hole. I think it'll be more there. So we'll do the hole on each, and then I'll get some files and I'll just hand file that in. I don't think it'll take very long.
You want it roughly at 2.5?
Yep.
2.5.
Alex has put a little pilot hole just to start, and then a bigger one second, and just checking that the size is perfect.
Perfect. There we go.
Perfect.
Plenty of room in the middle to squash all your flowers.
Thank you. flower press, and just ever so quickly I've used a file to just carve into these lines here. Now, I'm thinking if you had a really beautiful piece of wood or two pieces of wood that you were doing this with, you could spend 2 hours and end up with a beautiful, you know, even symmetrical pattern. But because it's only plywood, I don't really spend too much time, and I think that it looks quite nice as it is. But yeah, I could definitely redo this project with a much nicer piece of wood and make a family heirloom that I pass down to grandbabies and things like that. So yeah, really happy with how it's turning out. I'm just going to give it a quick sand to get rid of the paint and any marks on the outside, and I'm all done. All done. I'm happy with how this has turned out. Just need to give it a bit of a whitewash.